Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Students, today the date is 9th July 2020 and the day is Thursday. And today our topic is passive voice of present indefinite tense. Today we will solve the negative sentences, negative exercise, and formation is already written to facilitate you. In formation, first of all we put the object, after then we put helping verb means is, am, are, and plus verb, third form of verb plus by plus subject. Clear? In active voice we put subject in the place of object or and object in the place of subject, but here the situation, the condition is different. We put object and at the last we put subject. Clear? So the first sentence is he does not read a book. He does not read a book. He is the subject, does not shows that this is the negative sentence. Read first form of verb, a is the article, book is the object. Clear? And in passive voice we have to put the object. So object is book and article a is used with this object, so we write a book. Book is a singular subject, so we use is with this subject. A book is not read. A book is not read by him. A book is not read by him. Second sentence is they do not tell a lie. They do not tell a lie, and its passive voice is a lie. A lie is the object. A lie is not told. Told is the third form of tell. Told by them. Them is the objective case of they. A lie is not told by them. Third sentence is Nasima does not speak the truth. The truth. Nasima does not speak the truth. So the passive is the truth is not. The truth is not spoken. Spoken is the third form of speak by Nasima. The truth is not spoken by Nasima. Mother does not prepare tea. Prepare means तैयार करना. Tea is not prepared. Prepared is the third form of prepared. Tea is not prepared by mother. You do not write a letter. You do not write a letter. A letter is not written by you. Written is the third form of write. A letter is not written by you. He does not learn his lesson. He does not learn his lesson. His lesson is not learnt by him. Him is the objective case of he. She does not abuse me. Abuse means बुरा भला कहना, गाली देना. She does not abuse me. Me possessive case है I की. तो यहाँ पर जब हमने इसका ऑब्जेक्ट राइट करना है तो इसको सब्जेक्टिव केस में लेकर आएंगे I में. I am not abused. Abused थर्ड फॉर्म है abuse की. I am not abused by her. You do not give me a pen. A pen ऑब्जेक्ट है ये. A pen is not given to me by you. A pen is not given थर्ड फॉर्म है give की to me by you. इसको आप दो तरह से कर सकते हैं. एक तो ये सिचुएशन है pen is not given to me by you, और एक ये मैंने इसको लास्ट में राइट किया है. आप इसको यूँ भी कर सकते हैं I am not given a pen by you. I am not given a pen by you. यहाँ पर हमने डायरेक्ट जो इसका डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है a pen, इसको हमने सबसे पहले राइट किया है a pen, और यहाँ पर हमने इसका हिडन ऑब्जेक्ट मी लिया और उसको सबसे पहले राइट कर दिया यहाँ पर आई में. तो ये दोनों तरह से ठीक होगा. ये डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट पेन है और हिडन ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर मी है. अगर आप डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में करते हैं तो आ पेन इज़ नॉट गिवन टू मी बाय यू. अगर आप यहाँ पर इसको ही को लेते हैं जो हिडन ऑब्जेक्ट है यहाँ पर, तो वह यहाँ पर आई में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. आई एम नॉट गिवन अ पेन बाय यू. ये दोनों तरह से सेंटेंस ठीक है. क्लियर? क्रीम डज नॉट क्लीन हिज रूम. क्रीम अपना कमरा साफ़ नहीं करता है, तो इसका पैसिव क्या बनेगा? हिज रूम इज़ नॉट क्लीन्ड बाय क्रीम. हिज रूम इज़ नॉट क्लीन्ड बाय करीम। लास्ट सेंटेंस है द टीचर डज नॉट पनिश हिम। द टीचर डज नॉट पनिश हिम, तो इसको हम पैसिव वॉइस में बनाते हुए लिखेंगे ही इज़ नॉट। हिम को ऑब्जेक्टिव के इसको हम सब्जेक्टिव में कन्वर्ट करेंगे ही इज़ नॉट पनिश्ड। पनिश्ड थर्ड फॉर्म है पनिश की, ही इज़ नॉट पनिश्ड बाय द टीचर। क्लियर? सो यू हैव टू लर्न एंड राइट दीज सेंटेंसेस in your notebooks. Is it clear? Okay, Allah Hafiz.